Hey guys, so this time I decided to do a quick and easy turning project, and I got another one of these little kits from Rockler. This time it's a ceiling fan chain pull. You know, you attach it there, and obviously it's a pretty simple project. So anyways, check out the video of how I made this, and as always, check out my website at woodlogger.com for more pictures and videos of things I've got going on. Block all cut. Now I just need to find the center mark on it. I want to be able to kind of draw a line so I can find the middle, and I'll use that for at my drill press when I drill a hole for the blank to go in. Alright, now I've got my center. Okay, well I've got my blank all done. Now I just need to put my brass tube in and glue that in there, and then I'll use a barrel trimmer to trim down the end so that I can load it on a mandrel and then load it on my lathe. So to do this, you just gotta kind of use some sandpaper and just kind of rough up the brass tube a little bit. And this is just so that the glue has something to kind of grab onto. I'm using 60 grit for this. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Put some glue on. And this stuff really dries pretty quickly. Just kind of go in and out. I just use a little pen to kind of push it in. I actually have tools for that, but I don't know, I've never bought one. Okay, well that's done. I just need to let this dry, and then I'll trim that down in a minute. So I have my blank, it's all finished. Now I just need to get it loaded up on my mandrel and put it on my lathe. And so I'm going to use these slimline bushings for this one, and just kind of slide it on. Put a couple there, and this is just a scrap piece, just that I'm using as a spacer. So I've got that. Okay, well I've got my piece looking the way I want it. I've got it shaped, and I've kind of got a little decorative line here and there. Next up is sanding it. I use this 5-roll sanding pack that I picked up, and I just kind of work through all the grits. And it starts at 150, it goes all the way up to 600, and then I'll put some wax and some polish on after that. Sanding is all done, and next up I'm going to use this stuff. It's called Triple E Ultra Shine, and I've used these on a lot of pens. Really, any of these kind of turning projects, it's just the best product out there. I really like this stuff. And then after that, I put a little bit of this product called Shallow Wax on there. And they work really great. Dab a little on a paper towel. Okay, well there it is, and this turned out great. It's really beautiful. Next up, I just need to work on the assembly. So my ceiling fan pool turned out pretty good. Next up is just assembly, and what I'm going to do for that is I'm going to use my pin press for the top part. And I don't know if you can see how well you can see this, but you know the chain has got to slide through one end and then be capped off on the other. So I'm going to start by doing the top part first. Okay, so I've got that in. Now for my chain, I've got to take one of the little clasps off, and then just kind of slide it through so it gets through to the other end. I'll go and put this back on. And now I've actually got to put the bottom cap on. Hey guys, so sorry. I don't know what happened, but I had some sort of difficulty with my video camera. Had you not gone away for there or had that bad cut, what you would have seen is what I did was I clipped off a small piece of the chain, only about maybe about a half an inch, well maybe about an inch off, which was fine because it's a pretty long chain anyways. And the reason why I did that was because I wanted to use my pin press to push the bottom on. I tried just kind of shoving it down on the table, but it wasn't working out very well for me. And it worked great because there's enough space in there that you can kind of shove that down in there, close it, and then it comes right back out. So anyways, this is my ceiling fan pull chain. And as always, you can check out my website at woodlogger.com for more information about this project and others that I've got going on.